Hello traders. Today we are looking at the moving average angle indicator available for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This tool measures the slope angle of a moving average to help you assess trend strength. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL inputs. Alright, there we have it. If you look closely, the yellow lines in the separate sub window. On the chart, the indicator displays in a sub window, like I said, as a line that represents the angle of the chosen moving average. Steeper positive angles suggest a strong upward trend, while steeper negative angles suggest a strong downward trend. Readings near zero indicates a flat or sideways moving average, suggesting consolidation or lack of clear direction. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. The settings include the moving average period and type, which determine the base moving average being analyzed, and the angle calculation method. You can also set color thresholds to visually distinguish between strong, moderate, and weak trend angles. As for who the indicator is for, the indicator is suited for trend traders who want a quantitative measure of trend strength. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Angle readings are affected by the chart's price scale and time frame, so comparisons across different instruments or time frames should be made carefully. Use additional analysis for context. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.